Hey guys, JK Hool here. Hope you're having a good day. As you can tell here, it's horrible here. I got the taillights for the truck. They finally came in. Still waiting on the other parts. But anyway, we're going to get to that, so let's get to it real quick. What I'm going to do... Oh boy, lots of room. There's that one. Here's the new one. I gotta find somewhere to put these first. Alright guys, got this one. I have stuff to put the bolts in it. I didn't want to bore you with all the hooking the wires up and zip tying it in there and stuff like that. Strip it. Now, that's right anymore. No, it's got a gap down there. Don't slide this in there anyway. Huh. Gap at the bottom. Let's see why it's got a gap. There we go. Yeah, that's got it. All right. Let's see if it works. It works. Yep. Alright, give you a minute to move the truck over and we'll get that side. Eureka! That one didn't want to come out. Push it all back in here. There we go. Well, we got that one in there. Too bad. I'm going to do later tonight, if the weather permits, I will give you some nice shots of it to show you what it looks like. Alright guys, I'm going to turn the lights on for you so you see what it looks like when it's getting dark. That's with the lights on. Hey guys, appreciate you staying with me doing this with the tail lights. Hope you all like it. I think it looks pretty cool. And please remember, subscribe, hit the like button. That really helps. We need to really grow the channel bigger. I appreciate y'all's loyalty. I really do. Y'all are awesome. Y'all message me, Instagram me, Twitter me all the time. I mean, you guys are just the awesomest people I've ever met. Y'all really cool. I appreciate it. And that's it for now. And remember, don't text and drive. It does kill. It really does kill. Please don't. But hey, peace. See y'all next video. Bye.